Prevention of sexual harassment at the workplace. Welcome to this engaging e-learning program on prevention of sexual harassment at the workplace. You're going to learn the following topics. What is sexual harassment? Why is it becoming rampant at workplaces? Forms and patterns of sexual harassment at workplace. How to prevent sexual harassment at workplace, and legal recourse available for victims of sexual harassment. During the program, you will be assessed on your understanding of the topic through a game-based assessment. Let us see Sarah's day in office. Sarah is a bright young marketing executive with a financial services company. She loves her work as it involves managing various brand campaigns for the company. It is Monday morning and she is at her desk reading the newspaper. A leading English daily's top headline.
Incidents of sexual harassment at workplace are at an all-time high in India. Oh my God! Are we women safe anywhere?
Sarah, what is the matter? You seem worried.
You will also get worried when you read today's headlines. It reveals some shocking facts about sexual harassment at workplace.
Yes, this is definitely concerning, but nothing to worry about. If we as employees understand what constitutes sexual harassment and what is the recourse available for us, we can definitely deal with it.
Is it? So, how do I make myself aware about it?
It is simple. All the team leaders and managers in the company have recently undergone an extensive training on prevention of sexual harassment at the workplace. I am making a presentation on the salient features of this training today evening.
That's nice. I'm lucky to have you as my team leader. I'm sure you can empathize with this issue.
So see you in the conference room at 5 p.m. Good evening. I'm sure you all know why we have assembled here.
Yes, to make all the employees understand about sexual harassment.
Let me explain. When one employee makes unwelcome or unwanted sexual advances or requests sexual favors and attempts verbal, physical or visual conduct of sexual nature to another employee against his or her wishes, it can be termed as sexual harassment at the workplace.
Jasmine, can you help us understand what constitutes sexual harassment so that we can be more aware in the future if any such incidents are happening around us?
Sure, take a look. Sexual harassment can be verbal, non-verbal, visual, physical or psychological. Now take a look at this scenario depicting verbal harassment at workplace. Susan is a new joinee in an MNC and it is her first day in the office. Susan went to the pantry with her co-worker Annie during the coffee break. While Annie was briefing Susan about the company culture over tea, a group of male employees at an adjoining table were chatting about Susan. One among them said that Susan is looking hot and we can give her 9 out of 10 on her figure. Another person in the group also made a derogatory remark like hot chick about Susan. Any form of sexual remarks about the body or any other derogatory names can constitute verbal sexual harassment. Verbal harassment is any form of sexually charged conversation or passing of any sexual comments or rumors about an employee, either directly or indirectly. Verbal harassment may also include whistling, singing any sexually provocative songs, or using derogatory names for any employees.